What it do, man? It's that motherfucking Bernard Arnault mixtape, nigga. LV everything, bitch. I feel like John D. Rockefeller out this bitch. Goddamn soldier, I'm back in this bitch. 100K clips make your mama reminisce. The good times y'all had in the past till I blast and my pants still sag. Rob your ass with the mans. It be Gucci, I be Louis, I be posting and you know it. Third eye open, my clip still smoking. The hollow tips looking for a pussy ass bitch. Talking down on my click, so I'm shooting no fist. Man, you know that it's this that rich nigga shit. Bitch, I post on the block with the blocks and the zips. Niggas know where I be. Nigga swag OD, nigga post low key in the trap 4C. Bitch talking down on Black Jesus. AK-47 shooting up his mama house. I make that shit look easy. Put that shit on everything, all black, everything. Yellow herringbone to the motherfucking ear ring. Pussy nigga talking shit, cake gon' rip and hit his bitch. Niggas talking down on me, then they wanna shake my hand. Pussy nigga fuck back, I smoke it, then I sip the kick. Nigga talking all that shit, SOD be filthy rich. Posted in Miami in a big ass mansion. Got a couple hoes going ham, dropping they panties. But I'm hopping out the Phantom, looking like a young boss. Bitch, I put up to the awards with the top knocked off. Nigga soldier, I told ya, I flipping Folger. I'm riding a white Rover. Nigga, 2012, the world's over. Not literally over, meaning over. About that is mine. It's about that time that I go grab the AK, make you go blind. Nigga, it's my time, I put that shit on my dick. 100K off the rip, I put that shit in the clip. Put it in the duffel bag and throw that shit to the projects. Nigga bulldozer knocking over where I grew up. Goddamn, when I pull up in my hood, I throw up. Niggas know it's going down on my side of the town. Little soldier boy, tell him, pussy, look at me now. Goddamn, I post up, getting high as a bitch. Got 100K posted on the goddamn rip. Little soldier boy, tell him what's the goddamn script. Get money, fuck bitches, hit switches in the Lambo. So much camo, looking know that ammo. Niggas know what time it is. Unlimited infinity money, so I can guess that a nigga stuntin'. You pussy niggas talking shit, but that ain't real. I'ma keep this shit 100. Every day I roll that chronic. Every day I get that money. Niggas talking down, but the word around town that I'm hot right now. I done dropped the mixtape and the whole hood going crazy. I'm a 90s baby, post up in the shade, bitch. Twitter.com/soldierboy, most songs in the rap game, bitch. SODMG, Ocean Gang, motherfucker. It's that new mixtape, nigga. Fuck what you heard. Fuck what you heard, nigga. I gives a fuck. I post up on the block, bitch. The chopper bus, the Hummer truck, that's 80 plus. The 28s, that's 30 up. I post up, niggas, get your damn cash up. I tell them back up. VIP, she looking at me funny, pull my pants up. No, I'm a rebel, AK off the hello. Niggas be screaming about that money shit, but real ain't got it. The soldier put 100K straight out my pocket, throw it in the air like nigga stop it. I got it, nigga, I got it. I got this whole shit down to a science. Got this SOD family clicked up in the Lions. Goddamn, we go hard and hardest. Niggas talk all that shit, the AK shoot up the garden. And the house, the front, y'all backyard, and everybody in it gives a fuck, I'ma go till I finish. Twitter.com/soldierboy, nigga, I got the most songs in the rap game, nigga. If you don't feel me, nigga, I don't give a fuck. Somebody gon' feel me. Bye.